Welcome back to the series. In episode 1, we highlighted the problem. In episode 2, we showed you the design psychology that can boost your sales. But what if I told you the solution to all of this is right in front of you, but many businesses are actively avoiding it? I'm talking about a cloud subscription for your digital signage. I get it. A subscription fee every month? When a USB stick seems to work just fine for free? That's what many QSR owners think. But here's the cold, hard truth. That USB stick isn't free. It's costing you time, money, and missed opportunities. And in business, as you know, time is money. Imagine a Tuesday afternoon. A special offer is running out, or a new seasonal item is ready to launch. With a USB stick, a manager has to stop what they're doing, get a computer, update the file, and then physically go to every single screen to upload the content. This is not only time-consuming, but prone to errors. With a cloud-based system, you can do all of this from one central dashboard on your phone or laptop. Instant updates across all your screens, everywhere, at the click of a button. No more wasted staff time, no more inconsistent menus across multiple locations. Beyond saving time, the cloud unlocks the true power of your digital menu board. This is where you can schedule content to automatically change throughout the day. Your breakfast menu can seamlessly transition to your lunch menu and then to your dinner specials, all without a single person lifting a finger. You can also display real-time specials, like a hot coffee and muffin combo on a cold, rainy day, or an ice-cold smoothie during a heat wave. You can even instantly remove items that have sold out, preventing customer frustration and reducing staff confusion. This level of dynamic, responsive marketing is simply impossible with a manual, USB-based system. So stop looking at a cloud subscription as a cost. See it for what it truly is, an investment in your business's efficiency, a tool for maximizing your sales, and a way to gain a significant competitive edge. The ROI on a cloud system is undeniable when you factor in saved labor costs, increased sales from strategic promotions, and improved customer satisfaction. In our next episode, we're going to tackle a topic that's often overlooked: beyond the menu, using digital signage for your entire business. Don't miss out. Subscribe to KhazinaDigital and revolutionize your QSR today.